Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The closing bell has sounded. The markets all closed a little higher today. The Dow was up 117. The S&P was up 14.5. The NASDAQ was up 27 points. And when you take a look at the sectors, you can see that the increases were pretty much across the board. One of the biggest jumps was in the technology sector. I'm jumping around a lot on the charts here, but you can see Microsoft actually jumped 2% today. This came after analysts from Evercore ISI saw potential for big growth in the Microsoft 365 products and increased their price target from $93 to $106. Right now it's trading around $84, so you can see there's still a lot of room to go up there. Oil prices climbed to over $57 today. As you can see, closed around $57.31, 32 cents, just changed on me. Now, analysts point to demand in China, which actually rose to its second highest on record in November, and increased tensions in the Middle East after President Trump announced that the U.S. would be moving its embassy in Israel to Jerusalem, which is now leading to widespread protests. Another one we're watching, American outdoor brands. This is the makers of Smith Wesson firearms. They actually had a big drop today, and that came after they lowered their annual profit target. The stock is down about 30% this year, mainly because of a drop in sales. With President Trump in office, gun enthusiasts are not as concerned about any potential gun control measures, and so the gun maker says now it's trying to offer price cuts to boost sales. Right now, shares are down to $13 and actually closed at $13.51. This is the lowest that it has been in about 2 years. And here's something you don't hear me say very often. The price of Bitcoin is dropping. Let's take a look here. Actually, right now, it's trading just about $1,300 lower than when it started. Now, that's really not much, considering that when you take a look at how it's been all week long, when it started down here around $10,900, well, that's still about $4,000 or $5,000 higher than where it was at the beginning of the week. And starting this Sunday, the CBOE will begin trading Bitcoin futures. And the CME is going to be doing the same thing on Monday. Analysts are waiting to see if that's going to stabilize this infamously volatile market. Some say there is support for Bitcoin at the $10,000 level, which is actually lower than where it is right here, which may be the reason why we have been seeing today's drops, and we will be watching. Hey, that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining us. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube page. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we will see you on Monday morning.